Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that plays a key role in our calendar and lives: April. April is an A1 level noun that refers to the fourth month of the year. It's a simple yet essential word that everyone learning English should know. Let's start with the definition of April. It's the month that comes right after March and before May. In many parts of the world, April is known for its springtime weather, blooming flowers, and sometimes even the famous saying, "April showers bring May flowers." Now, let's talk about some synonyms. While there aren't direct synonyms for April as a month, you might come across phrases like springtime or mid-spring, depending on the season in your part of the world. For example, you could say, in April, we enjoy the mild weather of springtime. On the other hand, the antonyms for April would be months that represent different seasons, like October, which falls in autumn, or January, which is a winter month. For example, unlike April, January is typically much colder in most countries. Now, let's see how we can use April in everyday life. If you're planning an event, you might say, let's schedule the meeting for early April. If someone asks about your favorite time of year, you could reply, I love April because the weather is perfect for outdoor activities. Here are some more examples of April in sentences and phrases. Her birthday is in April, so we're planning a big celebration. The flowers in April are absolutely stunning. The school semester ends at the end of April. To wrap up, today we explored the word April, its meaning, its place in our lives, and how to use it in conversation. Thank you for joining me on this vocabulary journey. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using April and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and practicing your English. Bye for now.